I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Fidelity account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Fidelity account using your username and password. This is the first step to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the main menu. This section contains all the options related to your account management. Step 3. Select Close Account. In the account settings, look for the Close Account option. Click on it to begin the account closure process. Be prepared to answer some security questions. Step 4. Review your account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm closure. After reviewing, confirm your decision to close the account. You may receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. Keep an eye on your inbox for this important message. Closing your Fidelity account is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer service for assistance. Good luck!